I'm Sheldon. I'm getting you ready for your integral calculus exam in college or university. Today I have a multiple choice question and we're going to go through one by one. They're really tough actually. So if you can answer these, you're well on your way to be ready for your test. So assume f of x and g of x are continuous functions. A, if the limit of an goes to 0, then this series converges. We'll go through the options. I'll let you pause and answer for yourself, and then I'll go through solutions. B, if f of x is an odd function, then this integral is equal to this integral. Very interesting. C, if these terms go to 0 eventually, then this alternating series converges, okay? D, if f of x is sandwiched between g of x and 0 for all x, and we have this integral from 1 to infinity of g of x converges, then the integral of 1 to infinity of f of x converges. E, integral of this thing from 0 to 7 is equal to this integral. Interesting. So pause now, try and solve them. And I'm going to start the walkthrough now and we'll see how many of them you got. By the way, there's hundreds of exam questions on prettygoodprep.com and free exams that you can practice right now. Well, one free exam per course you can practice right now. Head on over, check it out. Let me know what you think. All right, let's go through the walkthrough. So now it begins. So pause now if you don't want to see the solution. So for A, and also I post the carousel of the solution, so you don't have to scramble and take notes right now. Just follow, because the next video is always the full walkthrough in a carousel that you can study at your leisure. All right, if the limit as n goes to infinity goes to 0, then this thing converges. That was the statement. Harmonic series is a counterexample, so A is false. Option B, if f of x is odd, then this integral is equal to this. So they kind of flipped the sign here of these things and the order. So instead of -3 to -2, it's +2 to +3. And then this one, we get this from an odd function. If you do a little substitution, then you arrive at this one here, so B is false. Again, I'm just going a little quick here. You're gonna get the full carousel with all the notes, so don't worry. C, okay, if the limit of these terms goes to 0, then the alternating series converges. For alternating series tests, remember, it says both. It's both these conditions. The terms go to 0 and the series is eventually decreasing. In condition C, it only gives us this one. So there's a counterexample that they give here, so C is false. And I'm gonna let you check the rest because we're running out of time here. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out the site, lots of free stuff. I get you ready for your exams.